Who wakes up 5 o'clock to go to the estate? Oh my god, this bag is going to God. I'm coming, guys. Hi guys, 6:30 a.m. We're en route. Abeokuta, here I come. No mic this morning. Hopefully my voice is as clear as you'd need it to be. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just at a gas station trying to get fuel. I'm en route. Today it's all about touring. Who's calling me? Hold on a second, guys. Gentlemen, we are now the pattern. Hi guys, let me get my microphone and get into the swing of vlogging. Amen. Testing the microphone, testing the microphone, testing the microphone, testing the microphone. Good morning guys, look who is around finally. All this, whatever you guys must have been seeing, I'm sure you're wondering, where is this child going to? But guys, I'm in a season right now where I think, why not? Yeah, you're not looking at me like you're watching me on the vlog. Like, let me vlog in peace. Excuse me. So I'm in a season right now where I'm thinking intentional pause and just be still, just slow process, and then I feel like it's a good way to rejuvenate. So today I decided that look, I'm going to take things slow, things because I keep showing up, keep giving. Who gives me? Who feels me? Who. This is not to preach, but today I'm en route Abeokuta in a train. I'm so hyped. I'm so excited that I get to do this in a while. Last year, if you follow me very closely, you know I was literally everywhere in this Nigeria. This year has been so cool and so close. And I was like, no, let's spice it up a bit. Let's shake it. So today I'm around Abeokuta. I don't want to tell you where I'm going to yet. We have a couple of itinerary plans for today, activities. You all are going to see it. But let me give you a clue. The place was recently renovated and people have been going there, doing stuffs and everything. So I'm looking forward to having that fun. I'm looking forward to making this memory, chilling, relaxing and rejuvenating. And then, pumped back, energy 100% overserved. So I'll see you when I get to Abeokuta. I don't want to tell you guys yet. Do not go. Stay tuned. Did I just say on the plane? Hey God, on the train, I would bring you guys along. I hope I remember before the end of the video today. Okay, let's explore Abeokuta. Come with me. Hi guys, apologies, I forgot to update this vlog. The excitement is too much. Look who is in ABK and already ascended these rocks or you or whatever. Namio. Anyway, you guys will see all the clips. I don't think I will have energy to talk. There's so much to do, so much pictures to take. But yeah, it's interesting so far. It's been interesting so far. So I'm like I don't know how to describe where I've gotten to. But yeah, let me continue. Let's continue. Can you see the city? Did you hear that? Oh, can you see the city view? Oh my god. Yep. Hi guys. Wait for me guys. Yeah. Let's go, Jerry. Video for us. Video for us. You. Shawty.
Why will you say just
my last
just
shawty.
So
just shawty.
No, for landscape.
Okay. I don't talk like anything today. So guys, this was so much fun. 12:10 p.m. and we are about to leave Olumo Rock. That's Olumo Rock behind me. Sorry the audio can be messed up with, but I'll try my best to increase the editing volume or the artificial volume I'm going to add to it. But guys, I'm exiting Olumo Rock. It's been great. I met amazing people, adventured together. And then yeah, on to the next step. I'm not so sure where we're going next, but we're thinking of stopping at good evening. I was thinking of stopping at either Obasanjo's library or we go to the Adire Mall. But you guys will see. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. OOPL. So we are at OOPL. It's called Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library in Abeokuta. Still, let me swallow that one. It was a mouthful. So we are here to explore. I'm not so sure. Hello. Hi. I'm not so sure what we're going to. I don't know what the activities they have here looks like, but for here. Guys, the energy I brought from people, I think everything has ended in Olumo Rock. Shoes gone first, but then the vibes is not gone, you know what I'm saying? Let's go explore. OOPL, Olusegun Obasanjo. I like him. He's not my favorite president, but because of Yoruba, he looks like my great grandfather. So guys, come with me. We are at the OOPL, and they call this place the Lavo whatever, I think restaurant. We're here to have some delicacies, so let's explore. Hi guys, 4:06. It's been packed. Tiredness setting because all my energy went off climbing that Olumo Rock, and I'm thankful I made it. I'm thankful that I was able to come, but Yoruba will say Ajore Zabile, home time I've reached. So we're leaving OOPL now. That's Obasanjo's library, and we are going straight to the train station so that we can board, because our train leaves like past 5 thereabout, is intact. Thank you for coming with me on this journey. I hope to still pick this camera on the road out of here. If I'm able to pick it, you guys are gonna say it, but if not, this is me saying thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking through. See you at the train station, hopefully. 4:56 p.m. We're right on time. We are back at the train station. Let's go catch our train back home. Yeah. On time, go see bit water delay.
Like smoking or drinking of alcohol is not allowed on the restraint meter as restraints are available at the Ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching Johnson train station at the next seating. General Corporation will not be responsible for any luggage lost. Most items will be discarded after 2 weeks. You can disembark through the nearest exit. Kindly mind your steps as you disembark the train. Kindly mind your steps as you disembark the train. Thank you.